A study from Dominican University found that people who write down their goals and create weekly action plans are 42% more likely to achieve them than those who don't. Open a blank page and dump every single thing on your mind. Tasks, worries, ideas, commitments. Don't organize, just dump. This clears your mental RAM and ensures nothing falls through the cracks. From your brain dump, identify the 3 outcomes that would make this week a win. Not tasks, outcomes. Finish project proposal is an outcome. Work on project is a task. The distinction matters. Place your big 3 into specific calendar blocks. Schedule deep work in your biological prime time. Add buffer blocks between meetings. Leave 20% of your calendar empty for the unexpected. Assign task types to energy levels. Creative work in high-energy slots, admin in low-energy slots, meetings in medium-energy windows. This alone prevents the afternoon crash from derailing your most important work. Full walkthrough of my Notion weekly planning template showing the brain dump, big 3 selector, and auto-populated time block calendar view. Grab the free weekly planning template from the link in the description. Try for just 2 Sundays, and you'll never go back to winging your week.